Racing just is started with Prince for Never. Ekle Cake running by the really scary path, then followed now by number 8, I Don't Mind. Next online now is Green Light, and on the outside is Charlord Mascara comes next, then followed now by number 3, Aquila Legis. Indomitable second last, while Charm Offensive is racing in less. And they are now entering the backstretch. We have number 9, Prince for Never. Reckless Cake is on the outside. I Don't Mind comes next. Charlord is racing in fourth. And in fifth comes Mascara. Carry Pat comes next. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Reckless Cake running by the release. Prince for Never. I Don't Mind. Charlord Snake King down on the inside as they swing for home. It's now Charlord. Reckless Cake is on the outside. Prince for Never in between horses. I Don't Mind with about 100 meters of the race. We have Reckless Cake. Charlord is down on the inside. Charlord, Reckless Cake, Charlord, Reckless Cake, Prince for Never. Entering the finish line, it's going to be Charlord, Reckless Cake, Prince for Never. Then comes I Don't Mind, Mascara.
Okay, 1:10.987 ang ating